But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I'm back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, as you can tell, I'm back with this crochet style. Yes, crochet. I went in with the invisible method. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you've seen me do this method a couple of different times. But before we get into all of that, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad to be back and having you guys here. So today's look comes from Janet Collection. Now, y'all know I love me some Janet Collection when it comes to like locks, to braids, those type of styles. And today's look is called a mystic braid. But even before we get into all of that, I have to say a huge thank you over to Sam's Beauty for sending me this hair to review. So thank you, Sam's Beauty. And also I have to say and show some love to my sunlight, sunbright, sunshine of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in, for supporting. And if you want to be my sunshine of the day, all you have to do is continue to watch my videos, show me some love down in the comments, and yeah, you'll be featured. So yes, so if you saw the intro to the video, you'll know this is just one of the styles that I'm sharing with you. I am going to come back with a different style, but this is going to be more of like a talk through while I'm showing you guys here, there, somewhere me installing this hair. I didn't do too much in terms of the install, in terms of filming, simply because I filmed a few times me doing the illusion method for like braided crochet styles. So I'll link a video here if you want more of an in-depth look at how I do the invisible method for my braided crochet installs. So again, today we're going over the mystic braid. Again, this is from Janet Collection. It's part of their Tress line. I have the mystic braids in 24 inches. Now I did go in with 3 different colors. You will see them here. So the first one is the OET 1B/27. That's this color that you'll see in the front. Then I also went in with the color number 30, which is the color in the middle. And then I also went in with the color number 4, which is the darker color in the back. So when I first ordered this hair, I had no clue that I would do the buns, but I'm really liking the buns. Let me know what y'all think about the buns. I think it's a look. These are in 24 inches. Now, Sam's Beauty sent me over 8 packs of hair. And I have to tell y'all the honest truth, I am using all 8 packs of this hair. In this particular style, it doesn't feel too heavy. I'm not like, you know, wobble, shake it, like all of that. But she's a little bit on the heavier side. Each strand has a little bit of weight to it. The packs have 10 strands in each pack, so I have 80 strands installed in my head. Now I'll go ahead and insert the video. So you will see here that I did go in and do the invisible method in the top, like in the front. So on the ends, I did 2 boxes. Up until the middle, I did 3 rows of boxes going back. And then the 2 right here in the middle, I did 4 boxes. Then the rest, I just crocheted into some braids in the back. Super simple, super easy. Now, I will say that I did appreciate that each individual strand had a loose opening, like a hole that you could, you know, easily crochet. I will say that pulling through the ends of the hair was a little bit difficult at first, but then when I saw, okay, it's not going to be just an easy quick little pull through, I have to open this up a little bit wider. I did that and it was super simple, super easy. The texture of this hair is definitely not silky. It's more of a kinky type texture, which I love, more like a lock type of texture. So that's really good. I do love that I did this in the illusion, that's the word, instead of invisible, the illusion crochet method, simply because I knew I wasn't gonna do individual plaits. This isn't a style I'm gonna wear long. I have a big shoot coming up, so I knew I wouldn't have the style in long, but I think it would be a perfect like vacation hairstyle. Spring's coming up, if you're going on a spring break trip, summer trip, these mystic braids might get you all the way together. So the other thing I will say about this hair is that, like I said, it is a bit heavy, but it's not too bad. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this down so that I can come back with a different style. So don't judge me. I thought I was gonna come back with a different style, but I wanted to show my husband how it looks and get his thoughts about it. But he went outside with our son, so I was like, I'll just finish the talk through and then I'll come back later and I'll add in some videos of different styles that you can wear this with this hair. So again, just kind of running through some specs of this hair. So far, I'm not experiencing any like itching or any sort of irritation on my scalp from this hair. Typically with crochet braids and hair, I usually do like an apple cider vinegar soak on the hair so that I don't get any type of irritants on my scalp, because my scalp, my skin, sometimes it, you know, flares up when it comes to those types of things. So not having any of that, and I didn't do the soak on this hair this go round. This hair is very affordable. The link to the hair will be in the description box. I didn't put any products on it. Sometimes on my curly crochet I do, but this one, no products. I'm loving the texture, loving the sheen. I haven't gotten any tangling or anything like that, no shedding. It's not typical for crochet braids in general. What else? I don't know what else to say. I really like this look, you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with some different styles that you can try out. All throughout, you should still be seeing videos of me doing the install. Overall, I like the look. I'm gonna have to deduct a couple of points because of how heavy the hair could be, especially if you want to wear it long term. Like if you had it all up, whew, that would be a lot of hair. But even with the 3 buns, I feel like it's cute and it's not too heavy. Yeah, I really like the colors. I was really wanting to try the 1B/30. I think I had the OET 1B/27. The 30 is more my favorite color, but I'm starting to like this 27. What do you guys think? I definitely think 27 is more like a spring summerish color. But who cares about the seasons? Wear what you want to wear whenever you want to wear it, sis. Yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. Make sure you leave me some love in the description box. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to turn on your notifications. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, what are you doing? Head on over to Instagram at the Sophie Chanelle. There you can find me. I also just joined TikTok, so I'm also Sophie Chanelle there as well. Join me on TikTok. I've been posting some really funny reels lately that I've been doing with my husband. So if you're into that type of content, feel free to go follow me, show me some love. Like I said, I am going to be doing a revamp to the channel, so I'll be adding in more lifestyle type content, because as we get older, we evolve, we grow, and things are changing. So with the change, I just want to give you guys an update, which is coming soon, I promise. But yes, update video and some other videos. Let me know what types of styles or videos you guys are looking forward to for me. If you want more lifestyle, family, mom hacks, let me know what you guys want to know. What do you want to see? Even just with my content creator journey, I'd love to share more about that if you guys are interested in that as well. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, but before that, you gotta watch all these styles. Then I'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
So this hair is 24 inches long, so this might be a complicated hair flip, but we about to work it on out. So get ready for this hair flip test.
But none of these girls can be you. Paris, make some time.
Oh, I think I can do that better. Let me try again.
Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear.